Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Today we have the last video of UMIDIGI A3, and this is the last video in 2018. Happy New Year! Have a good time with your family and friends. But let's go back to the smartphone. We already made unboxing, performance test and battery test of this phone. You can watch all these videos by the links in description. Now let's talk about camera. UMIDIGI A3 has a very good camera for its price, only $80. In this video we will show you real sample photos in daytime and at night, as well as videos in different light conditions. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. We will have more interesting reviews next year. UMIDIGI A3 is ultra-budget smartphone, but it has pretty good cameras. There is dual rear camera with 12-megapixel main sensor Sony IMX386 and 5-megapixel secondary sensor. The second sensor is used for only bokeh effect. By the way, Xiaomi Mi 5C has the same camera setup. The front camera has 8-megapixel sensor with f2.0 aperture. UMIDIGI A3 has a new camera app. It is very simple and convenient. There are 3 modes on the main screen: photo, video and beauty. Also, the phone has another 2 modes, depth effect and panorama. To use them, you need to click on icon in the top left corner. The settings menu allows choosing photos and video resolutions and some other options. By the way, both front and rear cameras support HDR. Finally, let's look at real sample photos. To be honest, I didn't expect this photo quality from ultra-budget smartphone. The images in daytime are very good for $80 phone. The photos are not worse than some $200 devices. They have good detail and colors. Even the selfie camera is good. From other side, the second sensor on the back looks like a fake. It works very badly. If you choose bokeh effect, there will be a circle in the center, and you can change the blur level around it. The portrait mode should automatically blur the background. The images in low light conditions are pretty weak. However, I didn't expect high quality images in low light conditions from $80 phone. Talking about video shooting, UMIDIGI A3 is able to record video in Full HD at 30 fps. The videos look quite good. Just like photos in daytime, videos have good detail and natural colors. There is no image stabilization, but the footage is smooth enough. Also, the phone doesn't have autofocus, so you need to tap on the screen to focus on subject. UMIDIGI A3 has a really good cameras for its price. The phone costs only $80, but you can take very good photos in good lighting conditions. From other side, bokeh effect is bad. The second camera lens on the back looks like a fake. And what do you think about UMIDIGI A3 camera? Write in comments below. Thanks for watching. In description you can find link to original photos and videos and where to buy smartphone cheaper. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.